close the door. I won't discuss questions, sir. Tomorrow we'll discuss. I am meeting by 10:45. I need to go there. So I have to everyone. No issue. Come on. Other, you know? Other, you know? Please. Come back. I'm going to show one example you don't need to do. We already know this example. Just I want to clarify with you guys. So I have a good understanding. Observe, you know, like QW directory, right? Yeah. Copy, please understand. One second. Understand here. Copy the directory /tmp directory to. Please understand. You don't need to do. Just I want to show you one thing. Yeah, dir. Copy the directory. Please understand here. Please. Copy the directory /tmp qwdir to /var erdir ktdir pdfdir. Yes, sir. Now think like now I created. I'll go to server /var erdir create ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I'm not there, so let me create it. At a time also I can do it. Here only we created. To verify it by being this /tmp only, I can verify ls-ld erdir is there or not. ls-ld is other path nodangiದ್ರೆ bari direct name. Maybe in different path also I can check it. This we know. Now think like this I done yesterday. This was a question concept for yesterday. I was supposed to copy the directory to under ktdir pdfdir. I thought means I'm assuming yesterday I thought like when leaving office, complete path I created. That's the thing I kept in my mind. Now I try to directly copy. Now directly copying the QWDI to this path. What will happen? But it's not there, sir. Mistakenly. Now what I'm going to do? CP hyphen. Otherwise, first I'll take up to here. Here I'll take. Okay. In my mind, I kept like /var erdir ktdir is already created. Correct? Now link sheet a copy. What will happen after? CP-R. Please understand. In my mind, right now the existing is only this much. How's But in my mind, I kept like I created already this path. The question is I need to copy QWDI to /var erdir ktdir. That means QWDI need to be copied inside /var erdir inside ktdir. QWDI need to be copied. Yes or no? Yes. But in reality, we have created only this much only. But in mind, I kept like this, all the things is ready. Why I always keep pointing, first verify destination path is ready or not. Now I'll use the same command, QWDIR to /var erdir, adolgade ktdir. Correct? But I am keeping in mind already ktdir is present. But actually ktdir is not present. I want to copy QWDI to /var erdir inside ktdir. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಅರೆ KTDR ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ it going to copy as a KTDR. Yeah, that is the point you should identify here. ನನಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ERDR ಒಳಗಡೆ KTDR ಒಳಗಡೆ QW ಕಾಪಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Correct or no, sir? But it copied since if directory is existing, it's going to copy inside directory, sir. If directory doesn't existing, it's going to copy the different name. That's the thing I always keep pointing you guys. First, prepare the destination directory. How's that, sir? Understood, I saw no. Getting my point, sir? No. No. Same thing I'm going to do. Another one question. Artha aitala? Correct. Already we done because I want to show you one plan. I'll take another one now. Insert LPTIR. No, ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. KTDR ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ LPTIR I give ERD. I give another one now. NTDIR. Okay. I'll give this path. What will happen? Till here is existing, sir. When you giving up to here, right? ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಇವಾಗ path if KTDR ಇದ್ರೆ QWDR will copy inside KTDR. If KTDR ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ exists is a path. So it copied as a different name. Understand my point, sir? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now I'll give another question. JJDIR, EEDIR. We are particularly telling now till this path should be existing. ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇರೋದು ಪಾತ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಇವಾಗ JJDR ಒಳಗಡೆ EEDIR QWDR ಕಾಪಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Now you will get at least error. ಇವಾಗ at least you will get a error, sir. Thank you. You will get a error now. Because question is KTDR ಒಳಗಡೆ JJDR ಒಳಗಡೆ EEDR. JJDR ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಇವಾಗ JJDR ತರ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? If you understood my point or not? If you having a previous path is existing, it going to copy inside, otherwise going to rename. Copy as a different name. If your two path is not existing, we'll get a error like this. So at least you'll come to know. Previous example ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? If you have what is the copy path you're doing, right? Only one last thing doesn't existing, then it's going to copy, otherwise it's going to copy inside it. Last two paths not existing. Is JJDR ಇಲ್ಲ, EDR ಇಲ್ಲ. Two paths. You particular when you give / here, you're particularly telling that should be a directory. Getting sir? Two paths doesn't existing now, so at least you'll get a error now. Last example error ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದೇನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ JJDR ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟು KTDR ತನಕ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. QW ಬಂದು JJ ತರ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅದೇ ನನ್ನ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದು QW should be copied inside JJDR, but it got renamed now. That's the thing I'm particularly always telling. Please verify the destination directory. Prepare it first, then you do it. Understood? Yes? No? Yes, sir. This already we know, but I want to show you an example with this clarification so it will flow. Clear? Yes, sir. No, I'm going to do another one example that for your understanding. I'll create a one directory here. What's your Vijay? No? Vijay. TMP ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ MKTR ವಿಜಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. Already, yeah. Okay. So, delete the Vijay and I create Vijay. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಜಯ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿ ಇದೆ, ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ TMP ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಜಯ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಜಯ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ TMP ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ವಿಜಯ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? Now I want to go inside Vijay folder. Inside TMP only. What I will do? CD space Vijay. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Yes or no? ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ಟಿ ವಿಜಯ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇನ CD space ವಿಜಯ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಬದಲು CD / ವಿಜಯ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ಪಾತ್. ಎರಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. When you do LS-NT, I want to go inside folder, CD space folder name only. When you want to go, when you give slash, right, it's going to start from the beginning of the server. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? Understood my this the same mistake you done madam on that day. Evenly. Yes madam. That one. Getting my point? Correct? If you want to, if you do LS-NTR, if you want to go inside this folder, CD space folder name. If you give slash, right, it is going to check in the root path. So, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು folder create ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. NKTR ದೀಪಕ್ ಕಲ್ದು cd ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ದೀಪಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ದೀಪಕ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ದೀಪಕ್ ಇರೋದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪಾತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ when you giving slash right going to check from beginning of the server. Got my point? Yes? No? Super. Now we'll discuss about the next topic. How to check the count of the lines. First let's create a one file. Create a file as it is as per what I'll do. Same file only created. Cat greater than file name. Kavin, Ajay, Tosh, Kiran, Manoj, maybe. Create a file like this, sir. Create a file like this. The multiple words, only one or two files. Here is a create a file like this, please. Done, sir? Ready? Done, sir? Now, I would like to know how to the content. Everyone ready, right? Done the last one, guys. Yes or no? Okay. How to the content of file cat space file name? This we know. How to display the file content with its line number? We know. What the command? Cat hyphen and file name. This we know. But I am not concerned about line number. I want to know the count of lines in a file. Go to learn a command code. WC for count, hyphen L for line. Count of line. GT. How many lines are there in file? Cat hyphen N ಬಂದು content with the line number sources, sir. WC hyphen L ಬಂದು count of lines in a file. Everyone should do. Getting, sir? Sir, pretty on the time today. Today also late, huh? Very good. Done, sir? Now, how do the count of words? WC hyphen W. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ words. Please observe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count of words, sir. WC hyphen W. Count of characters. WC hyphen C. Count of characters, each letter ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. Don't count it. Each letter it will take with spaces also. With space, new line, everything. WC hyphen L for count of lines. WC hyphen W for count of words. WC hyphen C for count of character, which includes space and letters and new lines. Ready? You are getting how many words, sir? WC hyphen W. Yes, sir. That is L, sir. Okay. Done? Here and done, sir. WC hyphen L for count of line, WC hyphen W count of word, WC hyphen C count of characters. Done? Now, sir. Now, what is the state? Please observe. Yeah. What is the statement used to display any message on the screen, sir? In C language. C language ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Printf. Correct, sir? Printf statement is printf scanf used, right? Printf for printing, scanf for reading the input. Yes or no? As it is Linux, sir. What is the statement used to display message on the screen? Echo. Echo is the command is used to display the message on the screen. Echo double quotes, better to use the double quotes. Without double quotes also it will work. But better to as a programming functionality, we should do double. Echo double quotes any content you want to do. Echo double quotes content. Getting my point, sir? No. Everyone doing right? No. Echo you can give echo Ajay, Santosh I'll mention. Correct, sir? Now, what is the statement in printer statement? What are you going to use to print in the next line, sir? Print in the next line. ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ n here also same only. I want to print a Praveen, Ajay, Santosh in one line. Slash n ಮಾಡ್ದಾಗ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Because when you give slash n directly like this, it will treat as a only string only. I need to inform Linux it's a regular expression character. So we need to use the -e option whenever using any special symbol. Anta? Correct, sir? Getting my point? Yes or no? If you directly you only use echo, I take as a string only, sir. I need to inform slash n should be not be taken as a string. It should be taken as a special character. That is regular expression character. Who have studied BCA, BSc Computer Science, BE Computer Science, regular expression you have studied. Correct? I'm going to teach you, don't worry. That's the thing I tell you. Correct, sir? Slash n, echo -e we need to, -e we should use, then only it will work. Getting, sir? Everyone should try, please. Everyone should do, sir. Backward slash, not forward slash. Backward slash n. Backward slash, sir. Done, sir? Everyone done? Yes, no? Yes, sir. Okay, super. Now, the print part of this message. This message, what I am printing, I want to write into on file. Till now, file create ಮಾಡುವಾಗ file ಹೆಂಗೆ add ಮಾಡೋದು content ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Cat greater than file name. We going to learn the another way how to add a content to your file. Existing file also, new file also. Both the thing will see. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Getting the how to write a content to your file. That will see first. Observe now. There is a no file called as a Suvas. Suvas file illa. Correct? Nodi. Please observe. Echo Praveen only I'll take. Please understand here. Echo Praveen I'll take. I want to see instead of print, ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. I want to redirect this content to a new file. I want to redirect this content to a new file. Greater than is nothing but redirecting. File name ಯಾವುದು? ಸುವಾಸ್. ಸುವಾಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಬಂತ ಫೈಲು? ಸುವಾಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes? No? Yes, sir. Getting? Please try this first. We're going to learn the another way of how to write the content to the file. Everyone should do, sir. Ready? Any file greater than nothing but redirecting. Redirecting the command output to a file. Redirecting the command output to a file. Understood, sir? Done? Any confusion? Yes, sir. Have some voice, sir, please, sir. Sir, observe now. Come back. Now, echo hyphen E, Ajay, Ashen, Giri, and Abhi. Okay. These three I am printing now. This I want to write into a same file, sir. Same file. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಹಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. I'm going to use Suhas. Already existing file only. Getting my point, sir? Understanding? Already Praveen ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದು 3 ಬರಬೇಕು ಹೌದಾ? As per understanding, that is the mistake will happen. Now cat Suhas if I do, Praveen ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು. That is the mistake will happen. Major mistake that you should understand clearly. This I also done. You also going to do. Very critical. Here you won't see any difference. This is a critical mistake. What I done is 1 TB file was existing with that name. Maybe first job in my career. At that time, I was not tested test.txt. The file name is. Someone saved all the data, production data in that file, that test.txt. I don't know. Echo Praveen had done greater than test.txt. I didn't check file is all 1 TB data gone. Getting that? Same thing happened here. So, ಈ 3 ಫೈಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನಾನು ಎಕೋ ಅದಾಗ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಹಳೆ ಗಂಟೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Single greater than always going to overwrite the file. If file doesn't existing, going to create a file. If file is existing, it's going to overwrite that file. Other meaning, it always going to create a new file. Greater than symbol always going to create a new file. Create a new file. Here you won't feel any much tension. This same thing happen in office. Major thing will happen. Getting my point, sir? I'm not making up, right? This you should understand. Mistake will happen, sir. No company can run without any mistake. We should learn it. But when I'm doing this command, right, I'll be conscious from first year to till 8th year. Right? That's the thing. Because big mistake is this. Data. 1 TB data gone in one command. I didn't have a backup also. That's the thing. First, you should verify file is existing or not. File ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಫೈಲ್ ನೋಡಿ. So better. Getting my point, sir? No. Single, please understand, please. Single greater than always going to create a new file. If file doesn't existing, it's going to create a new file. If file is existing, it's going to create a file and add it. It's going to override it. If file doesn't exist, it's going to create a file. That's the time no effect. If file is already existing, it's going to override that file. In other words, I can tell it's going to delete the file and create a file. Single greater than symbol always going to create a new file. If file is existing, it's going to delete the file and create the file. In other words, I can tell it's going to overwrite a file. If file doesn't existing, no issue, we can going to create a file. Getting my point, sir? Now I want old content also, new content also to get added. Old content to irbeku, new content also to add. That's how to do it correctly. Understand my point, sir? All clear here? No doubt, right? Single greater than symbol always going to create a new file. File existing, it's going to overwrite that file. If file doesn't existing, it's going to create a file. No. Echo. Santosh. 555. Double greater than. When you use double greater than, it's going to append a content to the same file. File ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದೇ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Double don't. I'm not telling single dangerous. We need to know the functionality and action. Every command ಹಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ. ಸುಹಾಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ 777 ಇದೆಯಾ? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Yes sir. Again I'm going to give Suhas this thing. Banta. Again. Nothing I'll give. Team sir. Double greater than first is going to check whether file is existing or not. If file is existing, it's going to add a content to the same file. If file doesn't existing, it's going to create a file and add a content. Understood my point, sir? Understood, yes or no? Single greater than always going to create a new file. Double greater than verify first file is existing or not. If file is existing, going to add a content to the same file. If file doesn't existing, going to create a file and add a content. File already iddaga ade file ge you going to add a content. Understood? Now mistakenly again I done single greater than was. All old content go away. See? Got my point, sir? Try it. There's no recycle bin. How can get it? Once you save it, done. Correct. How to do that thing? We'll add a server backup for every 30 minutes. It is so much interesting. When you use command, you should conscious. One command can destroy. Can't do right click, left click here. That's the thing. Linux have this much power. Without madam. Undo save ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ there is no recycle bin. So only for production every 30 minutes you have the backup of the server. Complete server backup is more than ಪ್ರತಿ you ready to do sir? Done? All done, sir? No. Not done, we done discuss only with the echo command now. Please observe, sir. Everything is a command only. Till now what we studied, everything is a command only. Let's try to do with some other command. Which command, sir? Correct alva? Uptime command I display madak bekagilla. I want to write into a file. Echo that you are writing a word content you are writing. Correct? Here uptime command output and display ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. I want to write into a file. What's your name, sir? Kader. I want to write a uptime command to file called as Kader. If I do Kader, uptime command output ಬಂತಾ? Echo command ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Uptime command functionality we know, but what the uptime command output will come you don't know. Yes or no? Uptime command function. Your laptop, your uptime will show 5 minutes. My uptime will show 1 hour 33 minutes. Your uptime will show 10 minutes. It depends upon individual servers, sir. Yes or no? Uptime functionality we know, but we can't tell this is a command output. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. That command output I want to write into a file. Command greater than file name. Uname command also I want to write into the same file. Double greater than Kader. Banta cat Kader. First line uptime, second line uname command output. Uname -r kernel version I want to write. Kader. Banta kernel version? Correct, sir? Free command output also I want to write. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Correct? No. Mistakenly, if I do now, uname -m. Any command output you want to write in a file. Any command output you can write except top command. because top command never end. Top hyphen b hyphen n1 ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. Top command ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ top command ls hyphen ltr command output also you can write. Want to check? ಬಂತ ls hyphen ltr output. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ uptime command a lot of files. ಬಂತ uptime. Yes sir. Any command output you want to write in a file, command greater than file name. In the same file name you want to append, double greater than file name. Single greater than same already exists overwrite ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ new file create ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Double ಇದ್ರೆ file ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ check ಮಾಡಿ if you want to write the same file. Now mistakenly if I do uname hyphen m single greater than cadre, everything will go away. Understand my point? Yes or no? Any command output you can write into a file. Any command output. Command greater than file name. Command double greater than file name ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ file ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ file write ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, append ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ it should going to create a new file. Understand my point? Yes or no? I want you people to try. Please try. Then I should try, sir. Any command, your wish. What are the commands that you learn? On 10 commands you learn, right? Right. Any one or two commands. Any doubt, ask me. Top with more control. You can try top with b hyphen n1. Top command work ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ top command ಎಂಡೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Screen is full, sir, and go. TV can go. Yes, and you what do you put in it? Ready? Understood, sir? Done? All done? Clear, right? No. You can repeat once again. Single greater than any command output you want to write into your file. Command greater than it can be echo, it can be after, it can be free command, it can be ls anything. Command one command output na one file save ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ command greater than file name. It's going to create a new file. If you want to write the command output in the already existing file, command double greater than file name. Single greater than ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಹಳೆ file delete ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಸ file ತರ create ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Other words I can tell it's going to overwrite it. Yes or no? Correct? Now, please observe. One friend. What's your friend? What's your name? Vivek. Okay. Come back here. Observe here. Observe, sir, here. Now, how to concatenate the file names. Two files is a file 1, file 2 is a. Both the file content I want to add to third file. I have file 1, file 2. Two file content I want to add to third file. How to do it, that we'll see. Okay, let's create a two normal file. F1 1020, F2 3040. First create to these two files. Yes, sir. Correct. ಎರಡು file content no F3 file ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to declare file content? cat F1 F2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎರಡು ಫೈಲ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ F1 F2 ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಈ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು that's it sir greater than F3 correct now F3 having a all the both the file content correct right how to write the file 1 file 2 content to third file understanding yes sir yes sir now I want to write uptime command also to F3 uptime ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು double greater than F3 cat F3 uptime came it not only two files sir you can concatenate multiple file F1 F2 Suvas ಅಂತ ಒಂದು file create ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ correct sir not only two files you can mention 10 files also F2 and another one what is the other no double greater than F3 H files you can give multiple files also but it will be more effective when you do in shell scripting sir but just I'm showing you F3 ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ uptime command ಇದು ಸುವಾಸ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಕಾದರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ yes sir you have to write the multiple file content to the single file it's called as a concatenation of the files concatenation of the file getting my point sir understood yes no please try it try it sir please any two you can try that F1 F2 Nansa? Any confusion, any doubt? Ready? No. Come back, sir. Now, how to verify? On command execute ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ a command successfully whether executed or not, how to verify? On command execute. How can you verify that command got executed successfully or not? Don't leave anything you do. How it can done? On down file you downloading. Okay, that file got downloaded correctly or not, how will you identify? Percentage will get some error, no sir? Any error? That means command, that file no not got downloaded correctly. Same this thing. In Linux, as a human being, we know which is correct, which is no. If I type uptime command, or correct ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Uptime T ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. What are you getting? We know command not found, there is command not executed successfully. But how Linux will record? As we know whether command got executed correctly, command not got executed correctly. How Linux will record? That is the point. Correct? How to verify that one, I'll tell you. Command I'll do working correctly, but I am not concerned about about the output of the command. I'm concerned about only whether the command got executed successfully or not. When you're doing shell scripting, it becomes a very big advantage. Why, I'll tell you. If command got executed successfully, if and else condition, at least you heard about it. If everyone studies C, everyone studies C, sir. At least heard about C language. Yes or no? I'm not going to ask any question. If and else condition. Yes, sir? Okay. If commands execute successfully, I want to perform this thing. If command not execute successfully, I want to perform this thing. If and else, that's the performance if and else, right? No. Oh, I want to verify whether previous command got executed successfully or not. I'm typing uptime command. Now, I want to verify that command got executed successfully or not. Uptime coding, sir. Previous command. To verify previous command got executed, echo dollar question mark. Echo dollar question mark is the command is to verify whether previous command got executed successfully or not. If you're getting a return code of 0, then previous command got executed successfully. If you're getting a code of non-zero, then not got executed. I'll give now uptime t ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ವಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಕೊಡೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನ್ ಜೀರೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ ಎನಿ ನಾನ್ ಜೀರೋ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಜೀರೋ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪ್ರಿಯಸ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಜೀರೋ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ I'll give success. Give Praveen is not a command. I do echo non-zero. Understand my point? Yes or no? How to verify previous command got executed successfully or not? Echo dollar question mark. If you get a return code of 0, success. Get a return code of non-zero, it's a failure command. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Only one person in the call, sir. M. Ramesh. Bhupati, where is Bhupati not came today? Okay. People who regularly joined, right? No one joined. If that call got disconnected, recording will stop. That's the thing I suggest. At least 3 to 4 people. You also supposed to join, no, sir? Where is Karthik, sir? Not joined today. Okay, sir. No issue. Anyhow. Who is Ramesh here? Ramesh. Okay. I'll tell you. That's nothing like that. Nanda? Clear? No. Got my point? No. Observe now. Now, when the command got executed, you should get a closure code, sir. Closure code means free command ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅದೇ ಟಾಪ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಇಟ್ ನೆವರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ಟಿಲ್ ನೌ ಐ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ರಾಂಗ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಟೈಮ್ ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ರಾಂಗ್ ನೋ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ವಿತ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ it never going to end even if I leave like this for one day also it's going to do like this only until I give control C ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ control C ನಾನು control C ಒಂದಿನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು after 1 hour also I can give my wish correct that means now again then server didn't got the closure ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ now do record ಆಗಿ consider as a failure only command is right but server didn't got the closure code. I didn't got automatically get exited. Wrong? Not same top command use ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Top -b -n1 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. You are already informing server. It should end after 1 second. Getting my point, sir? Now I'll do. ಇವಾಗ ಎಕಡ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ success. Correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? Wait for some time. Don't speak, sir. Please. Now I'll give top -b n4, sir. I am informing Linux server, you need to exit after 4 seconds. 1 second, but in middle of that only I give control C. This also considers a failure. Automatic other end adre success. If you are ending forcibly, it considers a failure. Even if it is a right command. This we can do try only in top command only. Other commands all exited automatically. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ Top hyphen B N1 if I give informing it should exit after 1 second. 1 second ಆಯ್ತು ಎಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್. ಅದೇ N3 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. N3 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Getting my point, sir? Server didn't got the closure code. It didn't got automatically exited. You are forcibly exiting it. So it considers a failure. Even the wrong command ಆದಾಗ 127 ಬಂತು ನಮಗಿದೆ. Right command is 130. Any non-zero, it considers a failure. Understood? Can you try, sir? Please try. Can I try ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? People who joined last week, this week. Sir. All right. No confusion, right? Sure. No, yesterday I told one thing I missed out. How to create a one second, sir. How to create a hidden file we told. Any file name starting with dot. How to convert a normal file into hidden file. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೈಲ್ ಯಾರು ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು. How to convert the normal file into hidden file, that we'll discuss. That I missed yesterday. I told. Let me take a SUAS only now. Right, SUAS. Okay. We convert the normal file into hidden file. Any file name starting with dot is a hidden file. So I can use the move command, sir. Move SUAS to dot SUAS. You can give anything, any name also, sir. Not compulsory we should the original name only. You can give any name. I'm converting SUAS to dot SUAS. So if I do ls-ltr, SUAS won't show. Dot SUAS is not showing. If you do ls-latr, dot SUAS came, sir. Understood my point? Yes or no? Got my point, sir? Clear? This is the thing. Try this also. Okay. How to create a hidden file you came to know. How to convert normal file into hidden file. Normal directory, hidden directory same. Move directory name space dot of any directory. Madi. You should try. Done, sir? Any confusion? Any doubt? Clear? Now, observe here now. Now, how to please understand? How to display the content of the file you came to know. How to reverse the content of the file. How to add a content to a file. How to append the content of the file. How to delete a file. How to reverse everything you can do. Now, how to fetch the top 10 lines, bottom 5 lines, between lines. I want, there's a 1000 lines in a file, sir. I want to display only from 40 to 45. and all we're going to do today. I'm winding up early. I need to go. Okay. Tomorrow we'll have the 50 minutes extra. 50 minutes extra. Getting my point, sir? Tomorrow we'll discuss about how to fetch the content of the file in between how to scroll line by line. That will discuss. Okay. Before that, I think on software today, sir. Kindly install and come. Putty, which I'm connecting from outside, right? So from next week onwards, we're going to connect from here only. In office, we're going to work from here only. Nobody will be having VM. VM is a data center. Our data center located in some other location. Everyone, how we want to remote by using this software. By putting software, we're going to connect the remote server remotely. Understand my point? Yes or no? Yes, sir. You can wind up. Any other doubts? Today's concept, if you're having any doubts, you can ask me.